Hello guys, welcome to our M24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim, and today as always I will comment and you will watch one of our videos. And today we will disassemble the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. And yes, I will add the tag number in the description. The assembly has the second difficulty or middle rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. We already heated the surface of the back cover up to 70 Celsius degree or 158 degree Fahrenheit and have used a heating mat to do this. We take a thin plastic sheet or film and begin to open the back cover. Push the plastic film through between the cover and the frame. Best place, as we know, the far corner from the cameras, and spray isopropyl alcohol. Carefully go through all sides of the back cover with a plastic sheet or film. The cover is quite easy to open for some reason. I think or the smartphone was repaired before us or the adhesive dried up. By the way, look at the adhesive base, it's original one. We also see a warranty sticker on the screw, so it's not clear, maybe someone just took the cover off. Next we need to unscrew the screws. Take a crosshair screwdriver or a Phillips 1.5mm aka #30 and unscrew the screws at the top. Look at the two screws, both are different from the rest. Both screws are non-magnetic if the screws are original, and you will also have them during disassembly, so remember their location. Non-magnetic screws are often located around the cameras. Detach the camera cover and put it aside. Disconnect the cover, also disconnect the connector. Do not forget that the connector must be disconnected with a plastic tool because the motherboard is still powered. On the cover we have a flashlight, NFC and some additional module for the cameras. Disconnect the battery connector with a plastic or non-metal tool. We take a crosshead screwdriver or Phillips 1.5mm again and continue to unscrew the screws. Now we need to take out the card tray, which is located at the bottom. We take an ejection tool. Inside the hole there is a mechanism. After we push the tool into the hole, it pushes the tray out. Remove the loudspeaker assembly. We also see a small board to which a coaxial cable is connected. Disconnect the connector and remove the loudspeaker. Now we disconnect the interboard cable. On the cable there is direction to the motherboard is written. It will help you avoid mistakes when reassembling. There is a cut on the cable, maybe there was a hit to the back cover. We disconnect the connector of the coaxial cables. Please remember their location. We are often asked a question that after assembly the smartphone does not catch the network. Disconnected the coaxial cable may be one of the reasons. We disconnect the subboard, look for a place to pry, and as always, work slowly but surely. On the subboard we have a micro USB Type-C port for data transfer and charging, a card holder, a microphone and other elements. Okay, now we will detach the 20 megapixels front camera. Then we disconnect the camera's assembly for 108, 13 and 5 megapixels. Also on the cables we disconnect the copper heat removing foil. We disconnect the coaxial cables, remember their location, a cable to the display module, a cable to the buttons and cable to the sensor. I guess one of connector is not for the buttons, I guess it is for the fingerprint sensor. Now we remove the motherboard. We also pry the edges and carefully try to lift it. Do not press the tool in this place. This black square is a part of the display module and it is quite fragile from the inside. In the display module frame we have an earpiece speaker, a vibration motor, coaxial cables, battery. By the way, battery is not hard to take out. Pull off the tag where the letters A and B are and pull up the tag where is letter B. Everything is written on the brown tag. Okay, now done. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to comment on this video for you guys. As always, guys, remember the drill. Watch our video, put the like or dislike. Of course, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Write your comments. And guys, please take care of yourself. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.